Good day everyone. In this video, I will be showing you how to layer objects in Google Slides. This tutorial should be pretty straightforward, quick, and really easy to follow, so anyone should be able to do this if you watch carefully. Do not worry if this is your first time using Google Slides, you're a beginner, or in general is just not familiar with the whole interface of Google Slides, as I will be here to guide you and show you the step-by-step process on how to do this. Before proceeding with anything else, I want you to make sure that the browser you're using, either you are in Mac or in Windows like me, is completely up to date. And this is for the reason that we can avoid any unexpected errors that may come along our way if we do so. Also, if you are interested in watching other tutorials like this, let's say for example, specific basic functions on Google Sheets, we already have a dedicated playlist that combines all the tutorials for the different Google softwares such as Google Sheets, Docs, and many more. We also have a dedicated video which is a how-to guide for beginners when it comes to using these softwares. Now let's get started with the tutorial itself. As you can see, I'm currently in a Google Slides file in which I have here 3 different shapes that is stacked on one another. Now let's say for example I would like it to be on descending order, in which the darkest one will be at the very back, this will be in the middle, and this will be at the very top. How do we do that? And it's crazy to think that it's actually quite simple, and you can even do it with your keyboard. All you have to do is to click on the first object that you would like to do an adjustment to its layering. All you have to do is to click on it, and then at the very top portion of our screen, go to the Arrange tab right over here, and under Order, as you hover your mouse, as you can see, we have Send Backward and Send to Back. When you click on Send to Back, it will send it to the very back, and when it click Send Backward, it will send it one layer backward. So let's go ahead and click on that, and as you can see, it is now between this light shade one and this medium shade one. Now I would like it to be adjusted at the very back, so I would just bring it backward one more time because there are 3 layers right here. And now what's on the top is this shade 1. Now I want the top one to be this one, so all I have to do is to head over to Arrange again, Order, and Bring Forward. And now as you can see, it is now in descending order, in which this darkest one is in the back and this one, the lightest one, is in the front. Now if you want to put it back again, you can click on Arrange, Send to Back, and this one, send it to front. And now as you can see, as simple as that, we can adjust the layering of objects here in Google Slides, and you can also use it when it comes to text boxes and many more objects. Now if you learned something in this video, please consider subscribing and dropping a like, and from here I'll see you guys next time, and thank you for watching.